Hey guys, it's Dave from the Weird Kid Show. Welcome. It's nice having you here today. And I'm here with our special guest, Haley. You say hi? She's in our, we got her this little dress at Goodwill today. A little princess dress. You love it. I love it. You look beautiful. So this is a quick week. I've been so busy around here. I've been building and doing a lot of stuff. I needed to, you know. I started getting into a rhythm where I felt like, okay, I've got to make a video, and all the other stuff that I wanted to do got put on the back burner. And so I had to pull the reins back a little bit because I felt like I was getting burnt out. So I started building, started doing some stuff that I wanted to do and not necessarily video it. But I started doing these bottles. I made this guy here, and then I made this guy here in a video for you, and I'll tell you, it seemed to be received so well that a lot of people expressed the desire to buy them. So I decided I'm going to start putting some together and selling them. I got a few here that are getting ready for paint. This one here, I haven't did the cap yet. Here, look at that one. That one's not painted yet. Some other things that I did is I did this bear after seeing Willy's Wonderland with Nicolas Cage. I really enjoyed that movie, and the kids have told me about, you know, if I was aware of Five Nights at Freddy. The whole animatronic thing just kind of got to me, and I saw this guy, Alan Hops, that did a video on a bear, and so I figured, you know, I've made a bunch of these before, so it got me wanting to make some more. So if you want to, basically what we're doing today is we're going to do like a little voting system. You guys are going to get the chance to vote on what I do next. I still have many other ideas for variants of bottles. In which case, the goal was to build a bunch of these monster bottles and build a shelving unit or a cabinet that's themed specifically for the monster bottles. And I don't know if you guys remember, if not, go look through my videos there. I had made a plague doctor, and Keith had given him the name Dr. Morbius, and I loved it, so that's his name, Dr. Morbius. And so I thought, okay, it's Dr. Morbius's cabinet, okay, and what it's going to be called, I'm not sure. But I've got this old shelf that was actually like the insert of an old traveler's trunk, really old, and I thought about dressing it up and, you know, turning it into the home of the elixirs, Dr. Morbius's elixirs of cures and curses or something. I don't know. I'd have to come up with a name, but I'd like to make a plaque that goes on it and just kind of dress it up and then display all the monster balls in it. So maybe if you guys got some ideas and input on that, please let me know. Oops, be careful, baby. Yeah, it's okay. And the bears, I've got an idea to make one of these that physically is in a standing position and possibly in a pose. I've got a chainsaw that would is in scale to this guy. So I thought about making a stationary bear in a permanent position, holding a chainsaw that's all bloody and weathered. And, so that's another option too. This is something I had made. I didn't make this on camera. This is one of those things that I just kind of needed to do. I sculpted it out of wet clay and then molded it and then poured it, and I've got to do some repairs to the mold, but he's calling him a pet alien, okay? So this is one project I got going on. So basically, guys, in this case, this week, I'd like you to tell me what you'd like me to do. I can continue on with the bottles. Like I said, I've got some different variants. I don't want to give it away, but I got some pretty cool things that I want to do. I've got some larger bottles that I thought about doing a shrunken head type of bottle with some hair and stuff like that. I also thought about like twin bottles. It's two bottles, but they're sculpted into one theme. That was an option. There's all kinds of stuff that we can do. And it doesn't just have to be the stuff that we're looking at here now. We've got a burlap sack, burlap material mask challenge that Eduardo Talbert had proposed to everybody from Monster Tutorials that I think I might take him up on. We can do a video on that. But basically, guys, in this case, I would like to hear from you. I would like you to write down in the comments what you like about the show, what you don't like about the show, what you'd like to see from the show, what builds or props that you'd like to see me do. All right, and then I'll consider it all. I'll look at it, and then we'll take it from there, and we'll get going again. So, anyways, guys, that's it for today. I appreciate you, and until next time, peace. Bye.